Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. In today's video, I will be doing a press-on nail tutorial. I purchased these nails from the Dollar General. They were approximately $3.50. And I thought, why not bring these beautiful nails to the channel? If you're interested in this video, please continue to watch. But first, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Sunday and Thursday at 1 p.m. and you don't want to miss them. Now, let's get into this video. Okay, so this does come with 30 nails. I don't know if you guys can see that. It has the instructions on the back, different sizes, the different things. Typically, I like to use the adhesive tabs, but for gel nails, I've noticed that the brush-on glue works better. So I will be using brush-on glue in this video. So it does come with a nail prep pad. It comes with its own nail glue, but I prefer to use the Kiss brush-on glue, and it comes with a fingernail file. So here I am going to just go ahead and clip my fingernails. Then I'll go in and I'm just going to file them. I'm gonna go in with the alcohol swab, and I am going to wipe my nails on both hands. And now we're gonna go in and I am going to take the nails out of here and size them to my finger. Can we just talk about how beautiful these nails are? Like, LA Colors, they did a good job on these nails. And for the price, I mean, they really look like pink gel tip nails. I am excited. They are beautiful. I can't wait to try these. So I'm just gonna go in, I'm just gonna size them for each finger and make sure they look good. And I like to go ahead and size all of my nails first before I start applying them. Now that I have all of my nails picked out, I'm going to go in with this Kiss brush-on glue. It's supposed to be able to brush on just like you would fingernail polish, and I'm going to start applying my nails. So the consistency is a little thicker than what I'm used to, but we're gonna see if we can make this work. I just bought this, guys, so I'm interested to see how it goes. And then you want to hold that for about 5 to 10 seconds.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up.
And there we have it. And I'm just gonna go through and do that on the rest of both hands. Okay guys, so I ran into some technical difficulties. So I'm actually going in with the LA Colors glue that came with the nails, and I'm using it. For some reason, my brush-on glue is like dry, or it's like really tacky, and I don't like that. So it's making the nail process harder than it should have been. And so I was like, you know what, I'll just go in and use this nail glue, and I will buy some more later. So that's what's going on here. I'm just going in with the nail glue that came with the nails, and I'm using it. Typically, I do like to use the Kiss brush on nail glue because it's just easier just to brush the glue on than having to squeeze it out of the tube. But hey, we gotta do what we gotta do, right? And I just typically like to squeeze out just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot of nail glue to make your nails stay, so I just like to typically just squeeze out a little bit, and I hold my nails for 5 to 10 seconds like I said, and that is pretty much it.
11 and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you, baby? from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you?
Okay, so after I apply my nails, I like to go in with my Jergens Ultra Healing, and I like to moisturize my hands because, let's be honest, your hands should be just as pretty as your nails. So I'm just gonna go in. We're gonna treat this like it's a real manicure, real nail set. We're gonna lotion our hands down and make sure they're all moisturized and pretty as well. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel like I haven't done a press on nail video in forever, so I'm really happy that I'm getting back to these videos, bringing you guys more affordable looks. I think this is a nice sleek look. It's very pretty, very professional. The nails aren't too long, so if you work or you type, you do a lot of work with your hands, these nails will be perfect for you. Looks like I went to the nail shop and got a fresh manicure set, so I really love them. Again, the price unit for these is unbeatable. I mean, $3.50. So, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Another affordable find for you guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell. I post videos every Sunday and Thursday, and you don't want to miss them. As always, thank you for tuning into my videos. Peace.